It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.